Hi everyone, welcome to GMR Academy. In this video, we are going to learn articles a, an, and the. Then Violet, let's begin. Articles are basically adjectives. Adjectives which tell something about a noun or a pronoun. In the same way, articles tell something about a noun or a pronoun. Let's define. Articles are of two kinds. Number one, indefinite articles a and an. Number two, definite article the. Let's discuss indefinite articles. The article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. We should remember very clearly consonant sound. We should observe sound. What sound? Consonant sound. Examples: a boy. The word begins with B. Boy. B sound. A girl. Ga sound. A pen. P sound. A doctor. D. A lawyer. La. A word which produces consonant sound, though the word begins with a vowel letter. We should use article a before them. Examples: a university. We should observe the sound word begins with U. Y sound. U. In the same way, a European. Of course, the word begins with E. Vowel E, but produces European. In the same way, a 1 rupee note, the word begins with O. Pronunciation, V pronunciation. 1 rupee note. The article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, A sounds. A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, A sound. Vowel letter U sound A. Examples: an apple, an ant, A sound, an elephant, an eye, A sound, an island, I, an ice cream, I, an ox, O sound, an orange, O, an umbrella starts with vowel letter U, sound A, an umbrella. In the same way, an uncle starts with U, N, C, L, E, an uncle, pronunciation A, an uncle. A word produces vowel sound, though the word begins with a consonant letter H. Here, H is silent. Examples: an hour, an honorable man, an honest girl, an air. You observe very clearly. An hour, H silent. An honorable man, H silent. An honest girl, H silent. An air, H silent. Once we look at the alphabet and observe their sounds, if you find consonant sound, A should be used. If you find vowel sound, article an should be used. A, vowel sound, an A. B, consonant sound, a B. C, consonant sound, a C. Like this. A D, an F, F A sound, an F. A G, an H, not H, not H sound, H A, an H, an I, a J, a K, an M, A sound, an M, an N, A sound, N, an O, a P, a Q, an R sound, an R, an S, a T, a U sound, a U, a V, a W, an X, a Y, a Z. Like this. An MP, A sound. An MLA, MLA. an RTC employee, RTC R sound, an RTC employee, an L bend, L A sound, an IIT student, I sound, an FBI agent, A F, but a USA citizen, U sound, consonant. So A, article A should be used. A USA citizen, a bit officer, a WB producer, a UFO, a UNESCO worker, UNESCO sound U, UNESCO worker. A or an is used before a singular countable noun means able to count the noun. Examples: he sent me a gift. How many gifts? A. One gift. A gift. He bought an ice cream. How many? An. One ice cream. An ice cream. She applied for a visa. How many? A visa. Next point. Before singular countable nouns, which refers a whole class or species in a general sense. We should remember, in a general sense. Examples: a cow gives milk, which means all cows or any cow gives milk. So in a general sense we refer cow species, so that we should use a cow gives milk. In the same way, I call a boy. Here I call any boy among these boys in the class. Many boys are there, so I call a boy among those. Next, a vehicle must be insured, which means any vehicle, or else all vehicles like car, lorry, bus, bike, etc. Any vehicle should be insured. The meaning is any means one, a vehicle. To refer entire class, we should use article a or an in a general sense. Articles a and an are used to refer quantity. Examples: I have a lot of work. How much? A lot of work. A couple of days. How many? A couple. Quantity. A great deal of agreement. How much? A great deal. A great deal is quantity. A great many people. How many? A great many people. Here, many people are great. A dozen eggs. How many? A dozen or one dozen. So these are all the quantity. Articles a and an are used to refer numbers. Example: a 10, a 100, a 1,000, a lakh, a crore, etc. with the values which are exact. Example: 1 and a half hours, 2 and a half liters, 1 and a half kilos. Here, one quantity, again a half. So we should use article a. But half a kilo, here only half a kilo. So we don't use article a before half. Like this, half an hour, half a liter. We never use article a before half here. With the values 1 by 4th, 1 by 3rd, 1 by 5th, etc. Article a is used. Example: a third, a quarter, a 1/5, like this. The values which are not exact. Example: a half holiday, a half shelf, a half share, a half portion. In expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc., articles a and an are used. Examples: rupees 5 a kilo, $10 a meter of cloth, 50 km an hour, 10 pennies a dozen, twice a day, 5 times a day. In the same way, with exclamations. Example: such a long queue, what a nice scenery. Next, before name of a person. Generally, we never use articles before name of persons. Why we use here? Let's see. Example: a Mr. Ramu, a Miss Radha, a Mistress Slater. Here, a Mr. Ramu means a man called Ramu and suggests that he is a stranger to the speaker. Without a suggests that the speaker knows Mr. Ramu or knows where he lives. Dear children, I hope you understand indefinite articles a and an. In next video, I'll tell you definite article the. I request you all to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button, like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.